We often hear concerns about AI replacing jobs, but what if I told you that in reality, AI is shattering that myth and giving rise to a whole new career avenue, known as prompt engineering? It's time to break the myth. Prompt engineering, in AI and natural language processing, means crafting precise instructions for AI models. Imagine you're a content marketer. You want to use AI to generate a catchy social media post about the latest tech gadget. Instead of a basic prompt like, write a social media post about the new gadget, a skilled prompt engineer might create an Instagram caption showcasing the sleek design and cutting-edge features, sparking curiosity and excitement. And here you get the exact content you thought of. AI, like GPT-3, is powerful but needs well-crafted prompts to shine. Suppose you're a graphic designer seeking AI's assistance to create stunning product images. Instead of providing a vague command like generate product images, let's craft a more precise instruction. Produce vibrant, wearable images that showcase the essence of fitness, fashion, and lifestyle. Keywords set the tone and purpose of the task. Now look at this, we've got two images here, both generated using the amazing Midjourney AI tool. But why are these images so vastly different? Well, let's unravel the mystery. Image A resulted from a simple prompt like generate a landscape image, while image B emerged from a skilled prompt engineer's instruction, painting a vivid picture with words. It's not just about commands, it's about guiding AI with your imagination. The importance of keywords in prompt engineering. Keywords are like the secret sauce that makes prompts work effectively. They help AI models understand the context and intent of your instructions. Using the right keywords ensures that the AI model generates the desired output. But why is prompt engineering buzzing in the job market? As businesses explore AI solutions, they need skilled prompt engineers for various tasks. This means more job opportunities, better salaries, and a chance to lead in AI innovation. In a nutshell, prompt engineering is the bridge between humans and AI. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech insights from Ultimez Technology.